Now remove all 6 of your push clips that are holding the top of the bumper cover on. So with a trim tool, stick it underneath here, pop the center of it out. Once the center is popped out, you can remove the whole thing. And this one's different, but just go down the line and remove all of them. I have one missing here, but now the top of the bumper cover is free. Now on each side of your bumper cover, right where it meets the fender, you'll have a 10mm bolt. Go ahead and take that out. And then if you follow this down, you'll see a 7mm bolt right over here. Go ahead and remove this as well. Now you'll notice there are 3 push clips to be removed along the edge here. This is one of them. You'll need a fairly strong trim tool because they're tight in there. I'm going to use my cutters not to cut, but I'm going to use them because they grab onto these push clips better. And these are really tight in there. Last one is all the way down here. I'm going to use the cutter method again. Now from underneath the bumper you have some 7mm screws and push clips that go all along. We have to remove all of those. So I'm just going to start over here and work my way to the other side. Okay. At this point, with all the hardware removed, you can pull out on both sides, just like this. Don't go too far because it'll fall. Also, I should mention, if you happen to have fog lights, you would want to disconnect them at this point. My vehicle doesn't, so I don't have to worry about it. And then pull out the other side. Hold the bumper cover and pull it straight out. So to be able to get to the grill piece here, it would be easiest if we take this brace off, and it's easy to do that. You just have a push clip on this side that you can pop out, just like so. And then there's another one of the same type of push clips on the other side, just like that. And then there's an 11mm nut here. Sometimes this won't come off, so you have to kind of help it along by pulling up on this piece. And then this whole piece can be easily removed, moved out of your way. To get this piece out, you'll need a few different tools or several flat blade screwdrivers or whatever works for you, but these clips that go all along, we'll have to basically spread them away from the plastic bumper. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to use multiple screwdrivers, basically shove them in here between the bumper cover and the grill trim, just like this. And once I have enough of them placed in here, I should be able to take a screwdriver or whatever else I have and basically push the grill trim out. And as I do that, I can move the screwdrivers around to release more clips, just like that. There's 2 more at the top here. There we go. There it is. Now to install this piece, I'm going to go from underneath, and this one just slides right in. It'll be easier to install. Slide in the top first, these 2 tabs, and then the rest should kind of fall into place and should clip in here. Press it in everywhere to make sure that it is properly secured. Let's put this piece back in. Had 2 push clips. One over here. Press it in, lock it, and this little nut for the plastic tab tighten it up. Let's get the bumper on. Okay, line it up, press it on, pull the bumper in and press it into the slot underneath the fender here. Let's put some push clips in up top. Make sure you lock them in. Let's line up the 10mm bolt on the top here. Seven millimeter screw on the side here. And 3 push clips. Now you do the same to the other side. Put all the screws in underneath on the splash shield. I'm going to start with the center one, that way it can be held up in place. One more screw all the way at the end here. And 2 push clips on each side. I'm missing this one over here, and then do the same to the other side.